Now let's take a look at how to configure server clustering feature in Blaze. Server clustering is a feature used in medium to large sites where multiple servers are required to support a large number of cameras. It allows multiple servers to be integrated and operated as a single system. Servers that are clustered together operate in sync as one unified system, and users can access any server within the cluster to view the entire system. First, open the Settings page and go to the Server Settings section. Click the Add Server button. The system will automatically scan and display all Blaze servers detected on the same network. Select the server you want to add and click Next. If the target server is already configured or being used, it will be fully initialized, except for licenses, during the clustering process. Therefore, we recommend performing the server clustering setup at the very beginning of the system installation. Enter the admin password for the Blaze server you are currently connected to and click Add. Once the server is added, it will appear in the server list, and you will be able to view information related to that server.